Like they're giant. Giant.
Yeah, what type of spider is this?
They're good, friend.
I've never seen one.
Just so you know, I found a routine that plays music to help you sleep. Do you want to try it?
I don't know.
I'm not sure about that.
Dinosaur.
Dude, it's got to be a poisonous one because look at the size of those venom sacs.
Oh.
Yeah, they're like water drops on the end of his.
Oh, right now, kill it.
Yeah, you got a shoe?
Yeah, wait a minute. And kill it right now. Kill it right now.
I think I gotta get some distance.
Oh, come on. Here. Hey, here.
You got him?
Yeah.
I was gonna get him with the box.
No.
Okay, if you don't get him, I'll get him with the box. I think I can get him with the box.
No, wait a minute. Fuck.
No, we're just trying to get him. Not kill him, right?
Kill him.
Yes.
Ugh.